really good guy is concerned, nothing. Oh, so you know my dad, about my mom, do you know my mom? Oh, it's a silent. Told him, I look at it, I just shook my head. That's scary, it's dangerous. I can't do it here. So I think my wife was looking in the car. So I think I was telling her story. So the Lexus I'm driving, I told you if you should run for a Lexus or if you want to. One day she opened the door, there was one brick left on the cup holder, and there was a lipstick. Then it comes to the beer can, one or two. So it was like that. So other day I was hanging out with this girl, she left her ear for the what was that? Where's that from?